Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to unpublish Shopify store. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. In order to unpublish your store, first of all open your admin panel and click on settings and select plan, and here you will find this deactivate option, so click on deactivate. And before you go, review these steps before closing your store. You can read this article and it will be very helpful for you. And select a reason why you are unpublishing or deactivating your store and click on continue. And now give here your Shopify login password and then click on deactivate now, and your store will be deactivated or unpublished. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.